Hi, my name is Trey Sanchez, and I am representing the Democrat Party in as a county committee member for District 37 in Queens, New York. And the reason why I'm shooting this video today is because I wanted to tell a little bit about my story with family court in Jamaica, Queens. Um, and well, basically, um, also there's like a great big system with lawyers and judges and a lot of staff, uh, you know, a lot of people involved that they're not exactly doing their job, bringing justice to families, and pretty much um, the situation right now is that I sent one of the custody orders or the custody orders that I got in 2019. I sent them to an appeal to the Court of Appeals in New York, in Brooklyn, and we're still waiting to see what happens. We're waiting for that to I guess right now, if I'm not wrong at this right moment, the other attorneys are also that are involved in the other parties are going to be writing their briefs. And I encounter myself right now in Ecuador, in Guayaquil. I came all the way here to get my children, and because my attorney already, I think, filed the brief, um, the children's attorney has called my sister, which at the end I had to share joint custody with her. And so they said, oh, we would like to speak to you and Maria Sofia, which is my daughter, my 10-year-old. And since you know that the mother is, seeking for the appeal, so we would like to speak to Maria Sofia, right? And by the time they wrote that email, which was on December 24th, I had already been here in Ecuador like since July, and been with Sofia like over more than a year, and been happy and very have tried to get back the time that we missed and that ACS took away from us. But anyway, bottom line is that they're seeking to speak to the children. Supposedly, she is the lawyer for the children, but at the time when we were in the midst of the trial, they really were not. She was not really like doing her job. She was defending pretty much the 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 father's agenda more than my children's agenda or desires. So at 4 o'clock we will have this meeting, and that's what we're waiting for. And I just spoke to my attorney that is in charge of this of the appeal, and he said that he doesn't trust the system, that I should try to settle the case outside the court because he definitely doesn't trust the system, the legal system, and he says that ACS would want to have the children back or something like that. Like they will want to have the children back to their in their hands, right? And so I wonder how right or wrong he is. Like I know that that there's a lot of corruption, but somewhere in my heart, I really want to trust and feel in that there is justice, and that justice will be brought to us. And I don't know. At the worst scenario would be that I have to stay here in Ecuador, because here down here my rights are as a mom are completely untouched, and I guess in order to stay together, that would be the solution, right? So I'll keep you posted on this one. Let's see what happens.